everybody. So today we're going to be making some Yayoi Kusama art. I'm sorry if I apologize for butchering that name if I did, which I probably did because I'm not that great at pronouncing other languages, but she is a Japanese artist that is one of the most famous artists working today. And her huge popularity stems from her mirrored infinity rooms that have proved irresistible for Instagram users, but her career stretches back over 6 decades. As a child, the Japanese artist began to suffer from hallucinations that manifested as flashes of light or auras, as well as fields of dots and flowers that talk to her. These experiences have provided the inspiration for her work, including the aforementioned rooms, along with paintings, sculptures, and installations that employ vivid, phantasmical patterns of polka dots and other motifs. So we are going to be using these same patterns of polka dots to decorate our hearts that are on our printable template, or you can also just draw your hearts on a blank piece of paper and cut them out for the same purpose. So I will be coloring in my hearts, and I will draw some little polka dots on them to make sure that I color all but the polka dot. So I'm just using some markers for my coloring materials, but if you guys would like to use a different medium, then you are more than welcome to. And you don't have to color all of the hearts. I just figured that I would give everybody a wide selection. Alrighty, and then I'm going to cut some of these out. Alright, so now that I am all done with this sheet, I will crumple it up and throw it in the recycling bin. And I will start coloring my background. So I think I will make my polka dots in this lovely little pink here first. Alrighty. So I will make my little heart display here before I glue it. And I guess if another word of warning, if your markers are like mine and bleed over, make sure you have the right one up. or the right side up, rather. Alright, so that is our little heart picture that we made today. So I'll read off a few more fun facts about the artist while I cut this out, because I think I like it better just as this picture in the inside. So I am going to modify it to do that. Alright, so the artist, Yayoi Kusama, loved drawing and painting when she was a child, but her parents didn't want her to do art. In fact, they did almost anything to try and prevent her from. So her mom actually ended up tearing up her drawings at one point to try and prevent her from pursuing art. But when her mom tore them up, she just would draw more. And when she could not afford to buy materials for art, she used to use mud and old sacks to make some art. So she doesn't just do these types of things, but she does other things as well. And by adding all over marks and dots to her paintings, drawings, objects, and clothes, she feels as if she is making them and herself melt and become part of the bigger universe. And she has said, and I quote, "Our Earth is only one polka dot among a million stars in the cosmos. Polka dots are a way to infinity. When we obliterate nature and our bodies with polka dots, we become part of the unity of our environment." And so that is our project for the day. Thank you guys for making it with me. I hope you had fun making it like I did. That is all for today. So as always, spread kindness, be mindful, and have a nice day.